In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name. After creating your Facebook account, later you want to change your name. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to change to your desired name. Make sure to stay to the end of this episode to see the entire steps. On your Facebook home feed, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon, then click it. Then scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and click on it. Then you have to proceed to click on privacy shortcut. On this interface, you have to proceed to scroll down again until you locate update your personal information under account security and click on it. On this interface, you have the option to edit your name, your contact info, identity confirmation, and access and control. In our case, since we want to change the name, we have to proceed to click on name. So we have the option to change our first name, middle name, or surname. So in the event I want to add or change to any name, I can just proceed to click in the said location, then proceed to edit it to your desired new name. If for instance you have also other nickname that you want to add, you can proceed to click on add a nickname, a birth name, or anything. But you have to remember that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days, which is approximately 2 months. In my case, I'm not ready to change to any new name, so I will maintain this one. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.